Decluttering is supposed to make your home look cleaner, more organized, and stress-free. But tell me if this sounds familiar. You spend hours sorting through your stuff, and instead of a neat, calming space, it looks like a tornado just hit. Yeah, I've been there. And trust me, it's not you, it's the decluttering mistakes we don't even realize we're making. In today's video, I'll share the biggest decluttering mistakes that make your home more chaotic and, most importantly, how to fix them. Because if you've ever ended up drowning in donation piles, feeling guilty over maybe useful items, or just given up halfway, this is for you. Let's get into it. Mistake 1. Decluttering without a plan. Picture this. You decide today is the day you finally declutter. You start in the closet, then move to the kitchen, then suddenly remember that drawer full of random stuff. And before you know it, your whole house looks worse than when you started. Sound familiar? That's because decluttering without a plan is like grocery shopping without a list. You end up overwhelmed, distracted, and probably a little frustrated. Fix. Instead, have a clear strategy. Are you decluttering by category, like the KonMari method, or by room? Pick one and commit. Clothes today, kitchen tomorrow, no jumping around. That way, you actually finish what you start. Mistake 2, the just-in-case mentality. You know that old coffee maker you haven't touched in 3 years, or those jeans from college that might fit again someday? Yeah, we all have them. The just-in-case mentality keeps us holding on to things we never use, just because we might need them in some fictional future. But let's be real. If you haven't used it in a year, you won't miss it. Ask yourself, 1. Would I buy this again today? 2. Can I replace this easily if I truly need it later? Chances are the answer is no, and that item is just taking up valuable space. Mistake 3. Overloading the donation pile. Donating is great until your donation pile becomes its own kind of clutter. I once had a pile sitting in my trunk for 3 months. 3! And every time I saw it, I felt guilty for not getting rid of it. Fix. Set a deadline. Within 1 week, drop it off at a donation center, give it to a friend, or list it online. The goal is to get it out of your space as fast as possible. Mistake 4. Not having a decluttering system. Here's where most people get stuck. Decision fatigue. You start second-guessing. Should I keep this? Donate it? Maybe sell it? Before you know it, you're exhausted and give up halfway. Fix. Use the 4-box decluttering method. Every item goes into one of these boxes. 1. Keep. Stuff you actually use. 2. Donate. Good condition, but not needed. 3. Trash. Broken or unusable. 4. Sell, recycle. Valuable but unnecessary. Having a system takes the guesswork out, making decluttering faster and way less stressful. Decluttering shouldn't feel like a disaster. It should bring clarity, space, and peace. If you've been struggling, you're not alone. But now that you know these mistakes and how to fix them, you can finally declutter the right way and enjoy a home that feels light and stress-free. Which mistake do you struggle with the most? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more decluttering and minimalism tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.